just seems like a bad idea. I'm just saying.
Why?
I got jack stands in my car.
So do I. Right? Hello? Is that over there? Oh, there's somewhere here.
Okay. I trust in you, Luke Schrothman.
Ready to smell some crunch. Put this on YouTube.
Alright, behind the scenes here, LukeyDoodlesGarage.com. Oh no. Dripping right into the intercooler. Is that your oil filter on top of the engine right there?
Yeah, bro.
Huh.
How about that?
I know Saturn used to do that on their 4 cylinders.
Who did?
Saturn.
Yeah, they got the idea from Saturn. Subaru actually is made by Saturn now.
Yeah.
Yeah. You didn't know that.
Strong, bro.
Yeah, bro.
So we're here with Luke. We're doing double oil changes on the Subaru here. This is, what is this here?
What is what?
2015
2001
Subaru WRX Limited. Is this a Limited?
Yeah.
All right. So I talked him into changing our oil. My car's at like 4,000 or 5,000 miles since my last oil change. I actually need to use my laptop to reset the my service indicator too. So. Nice. All right. Uh-oh. That's a pretty good design because then the oil doesn't drip all over the goddamn place. I like that.
Yeah. But now I gotta soak this shit up.
Now you gotta soak that up, huh? Alright, this is a genuine Subaru performance parts. What you gotta do here is... Okay. Alright. Alright, so here I am under the car here, and back here it's hard to see, but there's a zip tie here, and actually they're next to each other. One on the left, one on the right. It's holding the skid plate on, plus all these friggin' bolts. So, this is 2002 technology. So Luke's Subaru, they left him a nice little hole for his drain plug, so he didn't have to remove the damn skid plate. I get the joy of doing it all. All right, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Bob's Garage. We're here with Caleb. There you go. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good, man. Happy to be in Bob's Garage today.
All right, there you go. There's my buddy Lukey Doodles. All right, so this is the first episode here featuring the stock OEM skid plate. I just wanted to get a video of where the drip marks are. I got some leaks. I'm gonna have to rebuild the motor this winter. All right. That's cool. All right, see you out there.